ride him, donkey. Yeah. Whoa. And he jumped off.
I just jumped on wasn't it was slimy.
You jumped on something slimy?
Yeah, and it was a slimy monster. Let's get that slimy toot.
Okay.
I shouldn't say toot.
Yeah, you shouldn't say that.
I said my cowboy hat wouldn't fit on me.
It fits.
That said it wouldn't.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's a mean boy. So.
No, he's not. Whoa. Do a chicken booty. I want to get it on a video. See if you can do it on the video. Oh, almost. Try again. Got to get all the way to your feet. Oh, what happened? And up. There you go. What about a somersault? The perfect somersault. Good job.